Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $1 to $10 per click. And it's going to be perfect for beginners, and you're going to be introduced to a business model that I really love and what I use to make me big money online. So I'm very excited to show you. Let's get started right now. Alright guys, so this is what I wanted to show you. This is a site called Creative Live. CreativeLive.com is where you can get this at. So what this website is about online classes where people can learn how to do things, especially in the arts, because this kind of is called Creative Live. So it's more about, people who wants to get into the arts like photography, art and design, crafts and makers, and music and audio. They do have a money and life section, but majority of what you can learn on here is in the arts. As you can see, there's like 4 sections versus 1 money and life. So these are courses that people who really learn a new skill and use these classes, and they're not too expensive. Just depends on what you are going to be looking at. But let's say photography, they're in, it could be $59, $100, and so forth, right? So they have online courses here that people can buy. So the prices range from $29 to $100 something. So you can see the variety that they have, right? So for you and me who wants to make money from the site, what you can do is become one of their affiliates, okay? So you could go to the bottom, say, click on the Become an Affiliate. Now, this is the space that I'm in, and I do affiliate marketing, and this is one of the rare affiliate programs that does this kind of thing, okay? So pay attention. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically you're going to be earning a commission for recommending the site to people, okay? But usually affiliate marketing requires you to either create a sale for that company to earn commission. But for this particular site, you could actually earn money without creating a new sale for them. So that's why this affiliate program is a little bit more crazy and beginner friendly, because you're not even needing to convince people to buy anything, and that you just need to tell them about the site, and if they sign up for it, you get $1 for each sign up, okay? So you get $1 for every new registration sign up. And if you are going to refer other affiliates, like I am right now, I'm telling you about it to make money. So if you find other people who wants to make money and become an affiliate, you could earn $10 per sign up, okay? So for you to earn something like this, $1 and $10 for each sign up, this is really rich program to actually be a part of, because you're earning without generating sales, okay? So if you generate sales, you're going to get 20% of new customer sales, and if they return to buy more, you get 10%. So you get lifetime commissions, meaning that if they are a returning customer, you keep earning from them once you bring them in. See the leads and sales you generate in real time. Track your performance with advanced reporting tools. Earn more. Our average order sizes are over $100. Earn commission on all purchases by referred customers within 30 days of the original click. So you even have 30 days before they decide to make a purchase. Okay, so this is really a great program to check out. Our affiliate partners serve an audience looking for creative education and the ability to earn a living from their craft. Ideal sites focus on online education, photography, crafting, music, business, and training tools. So you just sign up here to be one of their affiliates. So this is the page where you will get more information about them. It's actually saying that you're going to get 25% here rather than the 20% we saw earlier, and you get 10% on returning, as we saw, and with 30-day tracking cookie. So once you sign up, you're going to get probably an email from them. So you're going to sign up down here with the form. So you just go through the process and get yourself signed up, and then you'll get an answer from them. If you look on the right here, they are part of Share a Sale. Share a Sale is a affiliate network, And affiliate network means that they have a lot of different affiliate programs in there, not just Creative Live. So once you sign up with this one, you may want to go check out shareasell.com and log into the account you just created and see what other programs that you would like to promote, because there's tons of things for you to promote and earn commissions from. So this is just the beginning, guys, okay? And so what do you do? So once you get in there, sign up, get approved, you're going to get an affiliate link to Creative Live. And what you're going to do with that affiliate link, then you're going to either use several different ways to get traffic to your affiliate link. And that is the part where a lot of people don't know what to do once they get their affiliate links. And unfortunately, a lot of people just think that they can just spam their affiliate links everywhere, but in fact, a lot of places will ban you for doing that. So that is not a good way for you to build your affiliate business on, to just spam your affiliate links everywhere. So that is not going to be the solution I suggest. The solution I suggest is actually going to a place like this where you could learn how to build your online business properly for affiliate marketing. And this website here, Wealthy Affiliate, is an expert in training people to build an affiliate marketing business. So they specialize in this particular thing. And this is where I started affiliate marketing in 2016, guys, okay? Also, you don't want to go to wealthyaffiliate.com. If you do, then you're not going to get me as your free coach. So you're going to need to use my link down below. You'll see workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Now, when you sign up with my link, you're going to get me on the page of Wealthy Affiliate here. So that's how you're going to know you got to the right place, okay? Now, once you have me as the person you want to sign up with, then you just put your email here and no credit card is needed. So you just get started for free and you're going to check it out, okay? So once you check it out, pull up my profile here, okay? Go on there. There's a search bar right on top. You just search Littlemama, look for my profile, and go to my profile and look at the right side where I document my entire journey there. You see my income proof. I make a full-time income with this program, and they've trained me so well that I've become one of their super affiliates on the platform. So that's another reason for you to sign up with somebody who has done the training, who's made money with the training, and who knows about the training that can help you by your side when you're building your online business, okay? This is one of the best places to go to learn how to build this online business, to create passive income, okay? So this training is super, super powerful in that sense because you're building an online asset that's going to be on the internet, that's going to be working for you and getting visitors for you on its own, because you're going to build it a certain way, and the training in there is how you're going to learn how to do that, okay? So the training is going to teach you how to do that, and it's going to teach you in a way where you can build this asset, attract visitors on its own, and then make money on its own. And that's how you can earn 24/7 passively with this kind of method, okay? This is what I do online, and I've been here since 2016. And what's another great thing about this place is that they have a huge community inside with like-minded people. So if I'm really busy or something like that, you're not stuck. You have literally thousands of people to ask questions to on the platform. And that is why I continually love promoting this program, so that other beginners can learn just like I did back in 2016. And I'm there still now to learn from their free live webinars every week. And I'm also there to help others like you to build an online business. And there's no better time than right now to learn an online skill that can pay you big time in the near future. Okay, so income disclaimer, my results are not typical and your results will vary. What you do with the training is up to you. So if you work hard and be consistent, you can make money with the training on there. It all depends on you and on what you do with the training. Okay, guys? So I really hope you take this seriously and really build an online business that like I have and make money from home, because it is a very crucial time for you guys to learn this online skill that is very critical for you guys to be able to make money from anywhere in the world, okay? So I hope you will sign up with workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I hope to see you on the platform in the very near future, okay? So Don't forget to check out these little videos that I have on the side so that you can learn more about how I make money with this program and how you can too, okay? So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can make big money online, guys. And if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. And I hope to see you on the next one, okay? Bye.